that can be spoken by everyone. Goodwill can make a bad day good and a good day better. Respected principals, Reverend Father Joby Varghese, Vice Principals, Reverend Father Noel, Reverend Father Zito, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear friends, a warm and pleasant good morning to you all. We, the students of class 4B, are going to conduct today's assembly based on the topic Act of Goodwill. Before going deep into the topic, let's start the day with a prayer song. For that, I invite the school choir to lead us into the prayer. Those whom it is due, when it's your power to do so. Do not seek your neighbors. Go and come again, and tomorrow I will give it when you have it by you. This is the word of the Lord. To share a beautiful thought, here comes Adinath. Word for the day. Love and goodwill are never wasted. They always make a difference. I repeat, love and goodwill are never wasted. They always make a difference. Thank you. One small act of goodwill can make a big difference in someone's life. Through a small skit, we hope to inspire you to spread a little more goodwill wherever you go. Artistry, a busy working mother juggling multiple tasks, and Abhinesh, a kind-hearted college student with a passion for helping others. Their paths cross on a typical day, but what happens next will make all the difference. I'm struggling to carry heavy bags. Oh no, these bags are so heavy. Let me help you. Oh, thank you so much. You are welcome. We can carry them together. Even though Adisri was a stranger to Abhinesh, he helped her. A simple act of goodwill can brighten someone's day and create a ripple effect of kindness. It is a reminder that we all have the power to make a positive impact on those around us. Let's spread goodwill and make the world a better place, one small act at a time. Thank you.